Now let's learn about the HTML block inline elements. So what I mean by that, so let's start with the block level element. Block level elements always starts on new line, and the browser is automatically add some space margin before and after the elements. So a block level element always takes up the full width available, stretches out to the left and the right as far as it can. And here we have the two commonly used blocked elements are the p tag, the paragraph element, and also we have the div element, and stands for the division or a section in an HTML element. So for the paragraph, for example, here we want this is my paragraph, save it, and this is our division, save it. And here we go. And to see it, how the browser taking all the width of our page, let's specify it with the styling of the border 2 pixel here with the solid and black as a color. Save it, and here we go. So you see, so the browser automatically adds some spaces, a margin before, here and after, and also it will for the division. There we go. And another type also, we have the inline. An inline element level does not start at a new line. No, not like that. So an inline element only takes up as much width as necessary. And with a popular HTML tag here will be the span. The span tag here is popular between the developers to specify an inline element. Copy it and paste it inside our paragraph. So this is my, let's say, for example, my first paragraph, and there we go. If we style this one to see how it takes from the width of the page, style, let's make it with the background of red, for example, and here we go. So this is an inline element. That's it for the block level element and the inline elements. As a summarize, so a block level element always starts on a new line and takes up the full width available. An inline element does not start on the new line and it only takes up as much width as necessary. And as an example, the div element is a block level and often use it as a container for other HTML elements. And the span element is an inline container used to mark up a part of a text or a part of a document. So that's it for our HTML block and inline level elements. So be sure to subscribe if you did not, and smash the like button. Thank you.